Hello. He's taking a bath right now. His hair is super freaking long. Look at that. It just gets curly and stuff. Look at that. Wait, turn around. No. Look at that. No, look at that. This is the bottom part because I cut the, look at that. Head back. But yeah, and I was detangling. I'm trying to make like a little mohawk. Because like I did a ponytail the other day and it looked really cute. But I'm trying to do a little mohawk. But it's hard for me to record. Hey, look. Psst, psst. Hey, baby. Psst, 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 psst. No, hey. Psst. Okay, wait, I guess I want to say hi. He's ignoring everybody. Anyways, bye-bye. Yay. Yeah, I guess I tell him how to clap. Yay. Psst, psst. Look. Say bye-bye. Look over here. Whatever. Anyways, yeah. I'm going to try to make a video how I detangle his hair and how I try to make it into a mohawk. I mean, even though it's not that hard. His hair is even longer on the sides too. See? But, hey. Looks like he had a big head on the video, but he doesn't have a big head. It's just the angle of the phone. Anyways. Baby? Yeah, anyways. He knows how to stand up, you guys. He's been trying to walk, and this little nigga, he's gonna be 8 months on Christmas Eve, which is tomorrow. He's gonna be 8 months. And he's trying to walk. He stands up, he sits. He tries to walk, but he can't hold his balance. But, you know, he's trying to walk at 8 months. My baby's freaking... He's been so advanced ever since he was born. He started teething early. You know, he was holding his head up early. He started... Hey, he does everything earlier. I don't know. My early baby. Baby. Negrito. Papito. Papi. Hey. Okay, not paying attention. No. Look at his little hands, you guys. Look at those little hands. Negrito. Look, right here. Look. Negrito. Yeah, he's went with... Bye-bye. I have 2 teeth. Look at those teeth right there. Give him 5. No, give Titi. She's 5. Negrito. High five. Psst. High five. Give her 5. Oh, he's playing with... Yeah, he doesn't want to give high five. Anyways, bye guys.